Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm talking about the single point of failure and how to prevent the same. And the single point of failure in the business and tech world is that if a system has a part of it that fails, will it stop the entire system from working, or is there a solution that you can do? And why it's important to avoid SPOFs, that's the short name for single point of failure. An SPOF, you can attack it three ways. You can look for ways to be redundant and not have a single point of failure. You can monitor your system and look for any SPOF that could become a problem, and you can test it. Test your backup systems to make sure they work so that when you need that backup to be the real deal, it'll fly, okay? Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.